welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to pop in and share with you a few of the things that I've been working on in my craft room. Christmas is in full swing for me. It has been probably since July, if you want to know the truth. This I shared on Instagram a little while ago. I just did a short reel, but it is a play on Buzzin' with V's SVG file that she shared using something, and I should say she was inspired by Adriana Alvarez's vending machine. And I just created like a little SVG of the vending machine. Now hers has a whole bunch of shelves on the interior, and I just left the shelves out of mine because it's actually a pretty small, the vending machine itself is only about four and a quarter inches by like 5.5 inches tall. So there wasn't really a whole lot of room for shelves and everything. And mine actually has a trap door. Like hers opens from the bottom down. So it's an actual box where you can pull off the top. And I couldn't really do that with this file because I knew I was making it a memory deck. So I needed my bottom to stay stationary. So I was just kind of playing with it a little bit. And I decided to make mine magnetized, and that's how mine opens from the side here. And before I send it, I will be filling it probably, you know, it has room for like a ton of flowers or rosettes, which I think are perfect for gift giving at this time of year. But I did a lot of ephemera from the Snow and Cocoa and the Fa La La collections, which are mainly what I've been creating with this Christmas season. It's funny because I buy all of these brand new paper lines that they come out with, and I'm still using primarily the older stuff that I've been using for years and years. But I mean, these are just two of my favorites, and I absolutely love them, and I won't put them down. But there's a shaker star on the back here of this floral cluster, as well as, if you look kind of in there, there's a rosette with a layer of tulle over top of it. This is just a die cut snowflake. The deer is from the Fa La La collection. You'll see some of the felt snowflakes that I've been playing with and cutting out. Handmade poinsettias over here with, once again, just a couple sprigs for some touches of green. I used the tiniest, cutest little bow die cut on the top of the deer along with a poof ball. And of course, everything is covered with a faux snow, and then I added glitter on top of everything. Up here, you're going to find a little banner that I made, and there's some snowflakes, one of those teeny tiny bows, cute little floral cluster at the top. These are some poinsettias that I hand make from my favorite die. There's some tulle and tissue paper trim that goes all the way around the box. That's this side here. And then you flip it over, and the back is plain. I will add my business card at the back. But this is just a fun, cute memory decks that I absolutely love. And I will link Buzzin' with V's tutorial in the description box if you want to check that out. And she does share the SVG file for free. So thank you, Veronica. And I wanted to show you just a couple other things. So this is another SVG that I've been working on. It's a memory decks that I created. And I just created this file myself. It was not hard to create by any chance. I just did it in Design Space, and I made a little shaker tree, and then of course I attached memory decks to the bottom. And this is a really fun mix. You can see it a little better from this side. I absolutely love it. There's some pink snowflakes. There's some mint and white sprinkles in there. There's some red and white striped candy canes. It's just a really fun mix. I did some diamond dots in there as well. So this is another one of the things that I've been working on. Once again, I'm participating in a 12 Days of Christmas swap, and my partner really likes carousel horses. So a wand was one of the requirements of the swap, and I had used, this is a bit of Snow and Cocoa that I used for the wand itself, but this is one of the ephemera pieces from the carousel collection. And I just cut that using a print and cut file on my Cricut and kind of enlarged it so I could put a fun little carousel horse at the bottom. But this is a handmade poinsettia, one of the wood star pieces from Dollar Tree. Once again, some of the ephemera from the Snow and Cocoa collection. It is a shaker, if you can see it. You can see it a little better from this side, but it's a really fun shaker mix. And it's just got a ton of these luscious trims at the bottom. I don't make wands very often, but this is really, really cute. I liked the striped straw. It really made me think of a carousel horse. That's why I put it together. Last but not least, I started working on an embellishment box. Now, this embellishment box is from Dollar Tree. I just spray painted it gold. It was originally red, so it didn't really go with Snow and Cocoa all that well. But it is a shaker, and I used the same sequins mix inside this as I did for my wand that I made. And then I just used, this is some fun felt snowflakes, a wooden snowflake from Dollar Tree. This is one of the cheapo snowflake ornaments that you can get just about anywhere in the multi-packs. And then of course I just did some of the ephemera from the collection. This is all Snow and Cocoa, and I did some Nouveau drops around the side as well as some pom-pom trim around the top of the box. But inside you will find some fun ephemera in here. This is from Dollar Tree, or no. I gifted her some of the candy canes, clay pieces that I used inside the sequins mix. There's some handmade flowers. There's a whole bunch of little mini rosettes. There's some pom-poms. There's mini bows. There's the cutest little snowflake cap you've ever seen, or knitted cap that you've ever seen. I added some little mini trees here. I gifted her some of the fun felt snowflakes that I've been using. These are some of the mini snowmen that Hobby Lobby is carrying right now. Super, super fun. Yeah, oh, some charms. I had some gold charms in my stash that I shared. But thank you for watching. I hope my partner likes what I've been creating for her. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and hit that subscribe button for some more crafty content. I'll see you in the next crafty video. Happy holidays. Bye.